It's currently raining outside. I have my day pack, my tech backpack, and this poncho. And I just had to maneuver all of this on. Make sure I'm covered, protecting my stuff. Rainy days in Thailand. Hi, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my room at Cave Lodge in Mae Hong Son, Thailand. It is an hour north of Pai. I got here by private taxi. It was about 1,200 baht, which is roughly $35. You could get here also by motorbike if you are skilled in driving the motorbike. Or if you use the Grab app, you could use that to try and find a ride as well. For me, it was just easier to find a private taxi right in Pai. It was a lovely ride. I used Mr. Suki's private taxi service, and it was really cool driving through the mountains, seeing it, and it was an hour from Pai. So we got here. It's about 3:20. So there's still some daylight. I can do some exploring after this, but let me show you my room. Come on in. Shoes outside. This is the room. Turn the lights on. Okay. So you got a nice big bed. Got a rack over here. Got some curtains. Keep the light out. Got a nice fan. Stocked with towels, some water, a bin. Look at this cool picture. It's probably the cave nearby. Alright, this is the bathroom. Got the toilet. Make sure you put your toilet paper in the bin. Don't flush it. Put it in the bin. Don't want to clog up the system. Got the sink, the shower. Got some soap, some shampoo. They have hot water from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. In this room I see a lot of outlets. Got outlet here, outlet right by the bed, which is perfect. And outlet up here. Alright, let's go to the back. Alright, this is a little porch area. You can sit and chill here. And this is the view of the back. So these are different villas, bungalows. Up this way is the main house. They also have a restaurant. They cook 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. I was looking at the prices look very reasonable. There's also this line here if you needed to hang some of your clothes. I first found out about this lodge maybe a month or so ago from these two travelers, Alex and Elliot. They came up with this plan to travel from the UK all the way to Australia without using planes and volunteering all along the way in the different cities and different countries that they end up in. And this past month they've been all throughout Thailand, so I used them as some inspiration. I saw them post about Cave Lodge, and it just I liked the picture so much that it made me book a ticket to come here, to come stay specifically at this lodge. There's other things to do at this lodge, different excursions. You go to the caves, you go trekking, hiking, and also kayaking, but right now there hasn't been much rain in this area, so the water level is low, so it doesn't look like I will be kayaking this weekend, but definitely hoping to do some cave exploration and walking through some trails since it is about 3:30 now. There's still some daylight, so I can definitely go check out some trails, before it gets dark. Go check out some trails before it gets dark and come back and eat some dinner. I haven't met anybody else staying here yet, but I did hear some people talking, so we'll see if it's going to be a busy weekend or just a low-key chill weekend. Alright, well, that was the room, and now I'm going to show you the rest of Cave Lodge. Let's go. Alright, so this is the walkway. She's outside. A chill area with some hammocks, table. Fire pit, some more seating area, ping pong, the restaurant, swing here. Different maps of the area with different caves. I have to mention that the Tam Lod Cave from Cave Lodge is maybe a 10-minute walk. It's right down the street. You can just walk to it. It's very, very close. This is of the Pangmafa district, the district that Cave Lodge is in. Cave Lodge is right there on the map. And it's got some different landmarks. More things about the waterfalls, the different tours to the cave, and trekking through a village. Toilet that way. And this is one of my favorite areas. Big treehouse vibes here. Some more bungalows. It's the river. There's some more swings right here, 2 swings. I just love looking out at all the plants of the wildlife. So if you walk this way, there's some more bungalows, and on the other side as well. And at night, they turn these lights on, and it lights up really cute. I'll cut to that scene. This is Cave Lodge. We're very north Thailand. We're very close to Myanmar. Cave Lodge and restaurant does have Wi-Fi. The restaurant is open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The food is delicious. So many great options. There's also an herbal shower that you can take while you're here. The staff has been amazing. It's clean. If you come check out Cave Lodge, you can come do some cave tours, some exploring, and just be in nature, just hanging out, chilling. Dominique Vibez, signing off. If you liked anything in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on those notification bells for the next time I post, which is Wednesdays. And I'll see you on my next adventure. Peace, love, and goodbye.